What are you doing, Stuart?
Getting fucking soaked by the looks of it.
That's a big balloon. That one of the 32 inchers.
Aye, this is Stu Junior.
And then where's it going?
Apparently over my coupe.
That's good news.
Not looking forward to this in the slightest.
1,000 frames a second. Balloon on Stuart's head. Let's do it!
You better phone to St John's Ambulance, have him standby.
We'll get a neck brace for you.
Avid Marion.
It's getting bigger. How am I going to get that up the top of the stairs?
Carrier bag.
It's bigger than a carrier bag already. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh! That was awesome, by the way.
Stop it. That worked better.
That went like in your face and back over your shoulder. It came like blub blub blub. It actually went over his whole head.
That's what I was hoping for.
It actually went over your whole head. But you don't see that. Like our eye didn't see that. That's all James.
I'm over that apart. Lou, what are you doing?
Just doing his hair, he's going out tonight, so I'm putting some extensions in.
Standard Glasgow night out wear. Stick your nut in something and
Glasgow kiss.
Pinhead.
What'd your hair do?
Get a couple of Stanleys in there while we're at it as well.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, beautiful! Fuck!
Oh, it's done my cracking ever. Fucker.
That was a pretty big bang. The Nerf bullet got sort of caught in the fireball and is now about half of its width. This was the point of ignition that you've seen coming from the side. And the Nerf gun that fired the bullet. Explosions. Let's do another one. Missed again. Still missed. Ah. Oh look, Pin obviously works. You don't want to get hit by that. Let's load up again. Locked and loaded. Christ! This is the one. Get as close as I can. Christ! That one bounced off it. This was not part of the plan. Point blank. Stop!